Imagine having the power to transform your financial struggles with a simple yet profound practice rooted in Buddhist teachings. In this video, you'll uncover the secret of a symbolic object that, when carried in your pocket throughout December, can invite abundance and ease financial burdens. What if the key to reshaping your financial reality was within your reach, simple, accessible, and deeply meaningful? This isn't just another piece of advice, it's a practice steeped in tradition, symbolism, and powerful energy. If you're tired of battling debt and seeing your financial efforts go unrewarded, watch until the end. Discover how this practice could unlock the prosperity you've been striving for and deserve. Before we begin, go ahead and like this video to help spread this incredible practice, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more transformative content like this. Turn on notifications to be alerted whenever a new video is uploaded. Share this with someone who could benefit from this teaching and join our community in pursuit of prosperity and balance. In Buddhism, prosperity goes beyond the accumulation of material wealth. It is seen as a state of balance where energy flows freely and is in harmony with the universe. According to Buddhist teachings, everything in the world is interconnected, and what we attract into our lives is directly influenced by the intentions we cultivate and the energy we project. Thus, the idea of prosperity becomes not only a practical matter, but also a spiritual one, where your relationship with your intentions shapes your financial reality. Among Buddhist teachings, the use of symbolic objects plays an important role. These items, often considered talismans or amulets, do not hold magic in themselves, but serve as physical reminders of the intentions we want to manifest. When we choose to carry something specific, such as an amulet, we are consciously directing our energy and attention toward attracting positive changes. It's a simple yet powerful gesture that helps align our thoughts and actions with the flow of prosperity we seek to achieve. Another essential Buddhist principle is the power of gratitude and generosity. Financial energy, according to this philosophy, needs to remain in constant motion. When we give, help, or share, we create space to receive something in return. This cycle of giving and receiving is fundamental to breaking down barriers and allowing abundance to flow into our lives. Thus, the simple act of carrying a specific object in your pocket during December is more than a symbolic ritual. It is a way to prepare your energy to attract wealth while reinforcing your connection to gratitude and generosity. These concepts demonstrate that overcoming financial problems begins with transforming our relationship with money and the energies surrounding it. December, as a month of endings and renewal, is the perfect time to put these teachings into practice. But what specific object should be kept in your pocket to enhance this process? In the next steps, you will learn the complete practice that can transform your financial life. Carrying a symbolic object in your pocket is a practice full of meaning within Buddhist teachings. Instead of something obvious like a coin, the recommended object is a small, dry leaf taken directly from a healthy tree. This leaf, which represents life, renewal, and connection with nature, carries deep symbolism. In Buddhism, the leaf is seen as a reminder of impermanence and the constant transformation of life. By carrying it in your pocket, you reinforce the idea that your financial life can also change and flourish. Choosing this leaf is a special moment. It should be taken with respect and intention. Find a tree you admire, one that appears strong and full of vitality, and choose a leaf that is already dry and ready to fall. This act symbolizes acceptance of the abundance the universe already offers and gratitude for what is yet to come. Once chosen, hold the leaf between your hands, close your eyes, and set a clear intention for your financial life. Imagine debts being paid off, opportunities arising, and the flow of prosperity entering your life. This moment of connection transforms the leaf into something far more powerful than a simple piece of nature. Keeping this leaf in your pocket throughout December creates a constant connection between you and your intention for prosperity. Every time you feel it in your pocket, it serves as a reminder to stay focused on the changes you want to achieve. The leaf also symbolizes lightness and detachment, essential characteristics for attracting abundance according to Buddhist teachings. When you are not bound by financial fear or anxiety, you create space for positive energy to flow. Finally, this leaf is a powerful symbol of rebirth. Just as trees lose their leaves to grow even stronger, you are planting the seed for a new financial reality. It represents the idea that even in the most challenging situations, there is always room to start again. Carrying this leaf is a gesture of faith, discipline, and connection with nature and yourself. This simple practice reinforces the understanding that change begins within you, and it is your intention that attracts the opportunities you deserve. December is a month of profound significance, both spiritually and practically. It marks the end of a cycle, a period of reflection on the past year, and preparation for what lies ahead. In Buddhism, the end of the year is seen as a unique opportunity to plant the seeds of intentions we want to manifest in the new cycle. By carrying a symbolic object like the dry leaf during this month, you are intentionally aligning your energy with renewal and prosperity. It's a simple yet powerful practice that connects to the natural flow of life's changes. Another reason December is the perfect time for this practice is the collective energy of renewal present around the world. People reflect on their achievements, challenges, and what they wish to attract in the future. This energetic environment is highly favorable for rituals and intentions, as the vibrations of hope and renewal are amplified. When you tap into this energy, connecting with your purpose and acting consciously, your prosperity intentions have a greater chance of manifesting. Additionally, the leaf's connection to nature gains even more strength during this time. Trees, even those that seem quiet in winter or at year's end, are in a constant process of internal renewal. The dry leaf you carry symbolizes what you are leaving behind: financial difficulties, fears, and blockages, while preparing for a new cycle with greater strength and vitality. This is the time to let go of what no longer serves you, making room for new growth. Finally, December invites us to practice gratitude. By using this time to reflect on your accomplishments and what you already have, you open the doors to receive even more. Carrying the dry leaf serves as a daily reminder to stay grateful, present, and aware that abundance is not just about what you wish to achieve, but also about what you already possess. By combining gratitude, intention, and connection with nature, this practice turns December into the starting point for a more balanced and prosperous financial life. Now that you understand the meaning of the symbolic object and why December is the perfect time for this practice, it's time to learn how to implement it effectively. The first step is to choose the right leaf, as mentioned earlier. However, the real power of this practice lies in the intention you set when carrying the object. Before placing it in your pocket, take a quiet moment, free from distractions. Hold the leaf in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize your financial life transforming. Imagine new opportunities emerging, debts being resolved, and a sense of lightness enveloping you. This is the moment to create an energetic bond between you and your intention. After energizing the leaf with your intentions, keep it in your pocket where you can feel it throughout the day. Each time you touch it, use it as a reminder to reinforce positive thoughts about prosperity and abundance. The act of touching the leaf symbolizes your commitment to change and awareness of what you want to attract. This daily practice is not only symbolic, but also an exercise in mindfulness. It keeps your mind focused on clear goals, preventing you from dwelling on scarcity or financial fear. In addition to carrying the leaf, it's important to align your actions with your intentions. Buddhist teachings emphasize that prosperity does not manifest solely through thought, but also through the conscious actions we take. Use December to review your financial habits, eliminate unnecessary expenses, and plan your resources better. Small actions, such as organizing your finances or setting concrete goals, create a solid foundation for positive energies to flow. The leaf in your pocket acts as a catalyst, but it is you who must act to make room for opportunities. Finally, remember to care for the leaf throughout December. It is fragile, just as our intentions can be if not nurtured. Make an effort to keep it protected, and at the end of the month, perform a closing ritual. This can be a simple moment where you express gratitude for all the blessings you have received and return the leaf to nature. This act symbolizes the closure of one cycle and the beginning of another, reinforcing that the work you began in December will continue to bear fruit in the year ahead. December is undoubtedly one of the most energetically powerful months. It is a time of transition, where we close one cycle and prepare to begin another. This energy of renewal is amplified by collective feelings of reflection, hope, and determination for the future. In Buddhism, this phase is seen as a unique opportunity to align our intentions with the universal flow. By carrying a symbolic object like the dry leaf, you are connecting with this transformative energy and planting the seeds for a new cycle filled with abundance. The strength of December is not just in its position on the calendar, but in the spiritual significance it holds. It is a period when doors open for both internal and external changes. This is the time to release limiting beliefs and embrace the idea that prosperity is possible. The practice you initiate this month is not just a symbolic action. It is a commitment to your future. It's about believing in the power of intentions and trusting that the universe is working in your favor, even if the results are not immediately visible. As simple as it may seem, believing in the process is essential. Buddhist teachings show us that everything happens at the right time, and that what we build today manifests in the perfect moment. The key is to stay connected to your intention and let it guide your actions. December is like a portal to new possibilities, but crossing it requires trust, patience, and consistency. Every time you touch the leaf in your pocket or think about your intentions, remember that you are activating a cycle of energy that goes beyond this month. Finally, understand that December's energy is a gift for those willing to believe and act. This is the time to allow yourself to dream big, visualize your goals clearly, and act with the certainty that prosperity is on its way. The leaf you carry is not just a symbol, but a reflection of your commitment to a better future. December is not just the end of a year, it is the beginning of a new journey. So, trust the process, believe in your intentions, and let this powerful month mark the start of a more abundant and balanced life. To get the most out of this practice and maximize results, it is essential to combine the symbolism of the object with practical actions and a mindset aligned with abundance. The first step is to reinforce your intention daily. Dedicate a few minutes each morning to holding the leaf in your hands and reaffirming your financial goals. Visualize your intentions in detail. Imagine specific situations you want to attract, such as job opportunities, unexpected income, or financial stability. The clearer your visualization, the more powerful the impact. Additionally, align your actions with your intentions. Buddhist teachings remind us that prosperity does not come solely from desire, but also from conscious effort. Use December as an opportunity to review your financial habits, cut unnecessary expenses, and better plan your resources. Small steps, such as organizing your finances or setting concrete goals, lay a solid foundation for positive energies to flow. The leaf in your pocket acts as a catalyst, but it is your actions that open the door for opportunities. Another way to amplify the results is to associate the practice with a cycle of gratitude and generosity. Choose one day a week during December to perform a gesture of giving. This doesn't have to be grand. It can be a simple act, a word of support, or even an item you no longer use. When you contribute to the flow of positive energy in the universe, you create space to receive abundance in return. This practice of giving and receiving strengthens the energy cycle and intensifies the results of your intention. Finally, maintain faith and patience in the process. Changes may not always be immediate or visible, but that doesn't mean they aren't happening. Trust the universe's timing and continue nurturing your intentions with optimism and determination. At the end of December, you can transform the leaf into a closing ritual. Return it to nature with gratitude, acknowledging the internal and external changes that have already begun. This practice reinforces that prosperity is not just about what you receive, but also about what you learn, feel, and share along the way. We've reached the end of this video, but the real work begins now, with you putting this practice into action. Remember, it's not just about carrying an object in your pocket, but about cultivating the intention behind it. December is a powerful month full of renewal possibilities, and the energy you direct now can transform your financial reality in the months to come. Don't underestimate the impact of small, purposeful changes. They are capable of creating significant results. Throughout this month, keep your practice alive and constant. Every time you touch the object in your pocket, use it as a reminder to align yourself with your goals. Think of prosperity as something already on its way, not as something distant or impossible. This simple gesture is more than a ritual. It is a daily affirmation that you are in control of your energy and ready to receive everything the universe has in store for you. Now, I invite you to join this journey of transformation with me. If this content inspired you, leave a like to support the channel and help more people access this information. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Here, we are always bringing practices, teachings, and insights that can transform your life in real and practical ways. Share this video with someone who could benefit from a positive shift in their financial journey or find value in these Buddhist teachings. Together, we can spread this message and empower more people to create a life of abundance and balance. December marks the start of a transformative journey, and I am here to walk alongside you as we move toward a new year filled with prosperity and accomplishments. Let's turn intentions into reality together.